Hi, it's Kayla with AMS Vans, and today we're going to show you a Dodge Grand Caravan with an Epic conversion. The Epic conversion is one of the most affordable conversions on the market. In this unit, it's a side entry bifold power ramp. The Epic ramp is made with galvanneal steel that reduces rust and corrosion, and it has a 2.5-inch safety track. Now, this vehicle is known to be a great companion vehicle. There's a few reasons why that is. First, the front passenger seat is removable. Also, all our units come with a key fob that helps you control the ramp. This unit also has an engage button located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Now, also in this conversion, you'll see that there is a safety switch that allows you to control the ramp manually in case of an emergency. That's a great feature. So to learn more about this unit, please scroll down, give us a call today, or chat us online at amsvans.com.